How to use yellow. Yellow is the thinnest of pigments. Even an opaque yellow, which is a cadmium yellow, it's just the nature of the pigment. It's a very thin pigment. Can you see how all the back workings are just coming through that yellow? So how you use yellow is you put white down first. Now you could let that white dry and put the yellow on top, but also you can work it wet. Can you look at the difference between that and that? You've got yellow now. There's lots and lots of different yellows. The only opaque yellow is cadmium, but try some of the other yellows. And look what I've got here as a special treat. It's called Indian Yellow Hue, and it's a golden. Golden are probably the best manufacturers of acrylics. They're American. And this is the golden, this is that wonderful yellow hue. And look at this magic. I put some white through it. Look how gorgeous it becomes. Look at that, it just leaves these wonderful little stains of kind of a goldy yellow, and then it turns into this white, lovely, kind of luscious, gorgeous-y, yellowy thing. So the thing is, explore your yellows. Look to see whether they're opaque, semi-opaque, transparent. Transparent yellows are brilliant for putting on top of something else. Transparents we'll show you in the next video.